मैटर्निटी लीव?
नहीं नहीं भाई, शी इज़ रिच, वो क्यों ही काम करेगी।
कब तक टिकेगी?
अप्रेजल तो इसने ही देना है भाई।
Guys, she's almost here.
There she is.
Is she going to stay?
पिछली बार बोर हो गई थी, इस बार भी हो जाएगी।
शायद नहीं, शायद वो तुम पे नजर रखेगी।
शायद।
This is it then.
What?
We're not meeting again.
मैंने ऐसा कब कहा?
लेकिन वो रोज ऑफिस आएगी और एक दिन वो पूछेगी रोज रात कौन सा क्लाइंट मिलता है।
फिर मैं कह दूंगा कि मैं बैटमैन हूँ। मैं क्या करूँ?
Make her go.
She owns 55% होगा।
So she's the boss then. Forget it. I heard there's an evaluation tomorrow.
हाँ।
Am I getting promoted?
So तुम यहाँ 11 महीने 13 महीने से हो, and you know you're not up for a promotion right now, and you know your evaluation reports are not that great.
I work very hard, and you know that they don't like me in the office.
I know that, but I can't take a risk right now, not while she's here.
You always have an excuse. कभी मेरे लिए, कभी उसके लिए.
So I'm done. I'm leaving.
What do you want?
Please, Soha.
You want me to go?
Soha, of course no.
You're never going to promote me. You're so scared of her.
Soha, I cannot do this with her still in the office. It's too much of a risk. When she leaves, you can have whatever you want, Baba.
15 months, Nitin. All your lines, all your promises, and I keep waiting for you like a fool. You're not mine. You're not here, not there.
इसके लिए प्रमोशन चाहिए.
Oh, you drinking the purna mansavat hai.
What?
Yes, I want that promotion because at least I'll get something out of this mess.
Are you trying to threaten me right now?
शायद.
Soha, I'll make you remember this.
क्या करोगे तुम?
मूड अच्छा नहीं है क्या?
क्वीन का वो सबकी डेरी है।
और किंग?
वो कुछ बोलता कहाँ है, जैसे कि हमें जानता ना।
Soha, where were you? You're next. Come quick. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So Soha, right? 13 months. सब अच्छा चल रहा है?
Did you achieve your goals last year?
So I was assigned 3 clients right from the first month of my job here. I think I've done my best to serve the firm.
ये आपकी इवैल्यूएशन रिपोर्ट में तो नहीं दिख रहा।
Sorry, ma'am.
Your evaluation report say otherwise. So, what do you think are your strengths?
I am hardworking. I am punctual.
So why are you frequently late to the office?
I don't think I'm frequently late. Sometimes it's due to traffic.
You need to work on that. Let's move on to your clients now.
Like I said, I was assigned 3 clients right from the start, and they were all happy with my performance. Even Falcon Associates gave us their business.
You can see that. It is commendable.
Thank you, ma'am. And I think I deserve a promotion because my work reflects in the data.
Let's not jump ahead. पहले बताइए कौन से clients manage किया आपने?
Falcon, Putnam and Williams, and Talreja.
Talreja is not with us anymore. Why do you think that is?
That's not my fault. I did my best.
Okay, Talreja is one issue. But your evaluation report also says that you don't gel up well with your colleagues or your supervisor.
Sir, I don't know what happened with Talreja. And in the office, I'm always assigned more work than the others. I don't have the time.
That's your job.
But I don't have the recognition.
That's what the money is for. Look, Talreja has been with us since day one. You lost such a big client. अगर ये कोई और firm होता तो आप यहाँ पे promotion नहीं दूसरी नौकरी ढूंढ रही होती.
But it's not my...
Discipline. आप हमसे इस तरीके से बात नहीं कर सकती. You should be grateful for this job. Because आपको यहाँ से बाहर काम मिले या ना मिले, I really can't say.
तलरेजा हमसे खुश नहीं थे
Of course, हमारी account manager interested ही नहीं है.
पिछले साल से, before she was here. It's not her fault. तलरेजा हमारे साथ काम इसलिए कर रहे थे because he was a friend of my late father. Where are you from?
Kerala.
Kerala. Some of your achievements are commendable, but we can't deny the reports. You haven't worked with us for long enough. I see a lot of scope in you. Don't be impatient. Things will come to you at the right time. Think about this. It comes from experience. I will talk to your supervisor regarding your workload, and you can talk to the HR if there is any struggle. We can go now.
Thank you, ma'am.
याद है नितिन, तुम भी ऐसे ही होते थे, impatient. ये सब तुम्हारे जैसे लकी नहीं होते.
तलरेजा के बारे में बताया किसने?
मैं बहुत कुछ जानती हूँ.